How to update any graphics driver in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to keep your GPU driver current for better performance and stability. First, right-click on the Start menu. After that, click on Device Manager. From there, expand Display Adapters. At this point, right-click on your graphics card listed there. In the next step, select Update Driver. Following this, click on Search Automatically for drivers. Once done, Windows will search online and install the latest compatible driver if one is available. From here, if Windows says your driver is already up to date, it's worth checking the manufacturer's site directly instead, since Windows Update doesn't always have the newest version. At this stage, for this, go to the official website of your graphics card manufacturer, like NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Keep in mind, download and run their dedicated software instead, since these often catch newer driver versions faster than Windows Update does. Finally, restart your computer once the driver installation completes to make sure the update takes full effect. And that's it. If this guide helped you update your graphics driver in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.